Hi guys, thanks for coming back to another cocktail tutorial with me, Josh from NJAC Event Bars. Today we are making a classic daiquiri. I've got a massive smile on my face all day today because this is my favorite drink. I mean, hands down, if I had to choose a drink in any bar, anywhere I'm drinking, it's gonna be the classic daiquiri. Testament to how much I love this drink and how well my wife knows me. On my wedding day, my wife sent me a wedding gift with a hip flask and the ingredients to make a classic daiquiri. So why do I love the daiquiri so much? Well, there's a lot of history involved with it. So as I've mentioned in a mojito video before, the classic combination of lime and rum is dating back to mid-1800s, back with the Navy times when we would be traveling around the world and combining lime or lemon with whatever spirit we could get our hands on. And as soon as we came towards Latin America and the Caribbean, we'd be looking at rum. And it's just the base to so many drinks. So I've already mentioned the mojito, it's the base for that. We've got lime, sugar, and rum. It's the base for an incredible array of cocktails. And as I've said, just 3 ingredients, super simple. Anyone can make this. There's no mystery to it, no art to it. There's not even really a sort of a hidden recipe. You can't get it wrong. So without further ado, let's get making. So here is the classic daiquiri. There's no frozen daiquiris here. There's not a huge pile of ice with this. It's not served tall or short in a whiskey tumbler. We've got it served up high with the elegance it deserves in a martini glass. But I've gone with a really simple garnish on the side, and that's just to represent how simple this drink is. I don't think it needs anything more spectacular than that. The drink can talk for itself. So let's have a little taste. Every single time, that just puts a smile on my face. It's the perfect sweet and sour drink. The lime and the sugar just perfectly balance each other out. And of course, rum being made from sugar cane, it's got that natural sweetness to it, but it's also got that earthiness that just combines with the lime. It's a fantastic tasting drink. I hate to say it, but I could drink that all day long. Not advised, but I could drink that all day long. It's delicious, and I think you'll find it delicious as well. And what I really hope is that you will taste this at home and realize this is so much better than any flavored daiquiris you've had before, any frozen daiquiris you've had before as well. Just a classic daiquiri. It's guaranteed to put a smile on your face. Okay, so that's the classic daiquiri. Hopefully you guys will enjoy making that one at home. I'd love to see the pictures, maybe even videos, just some comments of what you've done, what you've achieved. Let me know if you've got any questions around it as well. You know, there might be different ways of doing things or different things you want to try. Feel free to run those by us, either in the comments or send us a message directly. I would love to hear from you guys with what you want to see in future as well. As you've seen before, we've done special requests, we've done polls. Let us know what you want to see down in the comments below, and just tell us the name of your favorite drink or one you've just been dying to know how to make. Until then, stay safe.